First Lady of Brazil, Janja da Silva has revealed that the Harole Hudua, the Ooni of Ifa, is her baba. The wife of President Lula da Silva thanked Olodumare for Ooni's visit to the Federal Capital Territory. She said, "Our father has come to see his children in Brazil." Janja da Silva, a devotee of Orisa religion, spoke Thursday, March 23, 2023. She explained how Ooni of Ifa is also her father. The soft-spoken Olorisha said Ooni of Ifa is the spiritual father of all Orisa practitioners in Brazil and worldwide, so he is her father too. According to her, the practice of Orisa religion in Brazil is a blessing to the Latin American country. She spoke against religious intolerance and advised that every religion be respected. The First Lady said she is an Orisa devotee, so Ooni of Ifa spiritually is her father. Ooni of Ifa is the highest spiritual authority in the religions of African origin. I am very happy the king is with us on this very special occasion. Ooni of Ifa is my baba, my father, Janja da Silva said. The Harole Hudua, who was received in Brasilia by the President of Brazil, had also addressed Janja as his spiritual daughter throughout the meeting in Brasilia. Rosângela Janja da Silva, 56-year-old sociologist, has noticeably changed her style since being thrust into the spotlight when her husband, veteran leftist Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva, took office on January 1. Rosângela Lula da Silva, born August 27, 1966, commonly known by her nickname Janja, is a Brazilian sociologist and the First Lady of Brazil as the wife of President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva. Rosângela was born on August 27, 1966 in União da Vitória, state of Paraná. She moved to Curitiba during her childhood. Silva joined the Workers' Party in 1983. In 1990, she enrolled the studies of social science at the Federal University of Paraná and specialized in history in the same institution. Janja was hired by Itaipu Binacional on January 1, 2005. At the time, there were no civil service examinations, and she was hired through curriculum analysis and interview. At the hydroelectric power plant, she was assistant to the Director General and coordinator of programs back to sustainable development. Between 2012 and 2016, Rosângela was Communications and Institutional Affairs Advisor at Eletrobras, in Rio de Janeiro. In 2016, she returned to Itaipu. Janja officially left the company on January 1, 2020. Please welcome, Rosângela Janja da Silva, the daughter of Ooni of Ifa.